Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're checking out what we believe is the best personalized dog tag engraved stainless set available on Amazon. The Romooa 20 pieces military dog tags set. This sleek and versatile product is perfect for crafting, identification, or even costume play. So let's dive into the details and show you why it deserves a place in your cart. Right out of the package, you're getting value. The set includes 10 blank stainless steel dog tags and 10 matching stainless steel chains. That's 20 high-quality pieces ready for your creativity or practical use. Whether you're customizing them for pets, personal ID, or turning them into Halloween accessories, you've got everything you need to get started. Now let's talk quality. These tags are made of reliable stainless steel. They're sturdy, rust-resistant, and designed to withstand active use. That makes them a great fit for pets who love to run, play, and explore, or for people looking to make something that lasts. These tags won't deform easily, and you don't have to worry about them falling off or breaking during wear. One thing that makes this set stand out is the attention to detail in the design. The chains come in two different lengths. One is a short 12 cm chain, and the other a longer 70 cm chain. This gives you the flexibility to use them in different ways. Maybe one for a dog's collar and another for a wearable ID necklace or a DIY project. As for customization, the blank tags are ideal for stamping or engraving. You can add names, addresses, phone numbers, or any information you need. This is perfect for pet tags, party favors, or even themed events like military cosplay or kids' adventure parties. And since they come in a clean, shiny silver finish, they're a perfect canvas for personalization. The durability and versatility of the Romooa dog tags set are what really set it apart. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a pet owner, or someone planning a group event, this product has you covered. And because it's sold as a bulk set, it's also a cost-effective option for crafters or event organizers. In terms of packaging and delivery, the product is verified by Amazon's transparency program. That means each piece is uniquely coded and verified before shipping, an extra layer of confidence that you're getting exactly what you ordered. To wrap it up, the Romooa 20 pieces military dog tag set is more than just a novelty item. It's a practical, stylish, and customizable accessory kit that fits a wide range of needs. Whether for safety, fashion, crafts, or fun, it's a smart buy and a creative tool. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review of top-rated Amazon finds. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.